बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। ये लेसन 33 है ऑफ टॉफल सीरीज़ फॉर द बिगिनर्स। आज हम इस लेसन में होप और विश के इस्तेमाल में डिफरेंस को स्टडी करेंगे, इन डेप्थ स्टडी करेंगे, ताकि आपको क्लैरिटी हो कि आपने इन लफ्ज़ को कहाँ प्रॉपर्ली प्लेस करना है। सो डायरेक्टली लेट्स जस्ट जंप इनटू द लेसन कोर्स। So, these two verbs, hope and wish, while they are similar in meaning, they are not all the same grammatically. आप इनको interchangeably use करते हैं अपनी speech में, but when you're writing grammatically, it has to be very perfect. So grammatically, they have difference. What differences are? The verb hope is used to indicate something that possibly happened or will possibly happen. जिस चीज़ की possibly जो पहले हो चुकी है या जो होगी, उसके लिए हम verb hope का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. In contrast, the verb wish is used to indicate something that definitely did not happen or definitely will not happen. Exactly opposite, अगर हम wish का इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं तो वो उन चीज़ों के लिए कर रहे हैं जो कि यकीनी तौर पे नहीं हुई हैं और यकीनी तौर पे नहीं होंगी. इन दो चीज़ों के लिए हम विश का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. इन कंट्रास्ट, जिन चीज़ों के लिए पॉसिबिलिटी है कि वो हो चुकी हैं या पॉसिबली है कि वो होंगी, उनके लिए हम होप का वर्ड इस्तेमाल करते हैं. फर्दर मोर, the verb hope can be followed by any tense. You can use any tense after verb hope. However, the verb wish must not be followed by any present tense verb or present tense auxiliary. होप के साथ आपके पास फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी है यूज़ करते वक्त, आप इसको किसी भी टेंस के साथ इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. इन कंट्रास्ट, द वर्ब विश मस्ट नॉट बी फॉलोड बाय एनी प्रेजेंट टेंस वर्ब और प्रेजेंट टेंस ऑक्सिलरी, यानी कि इसमें आपने प्रेजेंट को हरगिज़ यूज़ नहीं करना. अब हम इसको एग्जाम्पल्स में भी स्टडी कर लेते हैं. बी श्योर दैट यू अंडरस्टैंड द डिफरेंस इन द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेज विद विश एंड होप. हमने पहले विश और होप का डिफरेंस स्टडी कर लिया, फिर हमने ग्रामेटिकल कैसे इसको इस्तेमाल करना है वो भी देख लिया. अब हम इसको एग्जाम्पल्स में भी अच्छे से देख लेते हैं. फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल इज़ वी होप दैट दे विल कम. दिस इज़ अबाउट hope, possibility of hope in the future. So we don't know if they are coming, but we are hoping possibly they will come. Second example, we wish that they could come. They are not coming, right? If we are something you are sure will not happen, so they are not coming at all. So इसमें आपने use कर लिया है we wish they could not come, they could come, they are not coming. It means example 3, we hope that they came yesterday, right? We did not know if they come. if they came yesterday. अब इसमें हमारे पास past है about possibility, तो हम कह रहे हैं कि we are hoping, but though we don't know if they came or not. So if we are using wish, we wish that they had come yesterday. It means we are sure that they did not come at all, right? So जब आपके पास आपको श्योरिटी हो कि ये काम माजी में नहीं हुआ तो आप wish यूज़ करेंगे. But if you have the possibility is there and you don't know, then you can use the word hope. Remember that wish is very similar to a contrary to a fact or unreal condition. इससे पहले हम unreal conditions को पढ़ चुके हैं lesson 30, 31, 32 में. So जो wish है वो hope, the wish word जो है verb that goes very similar to the contrary conditions. Present unreal condition में हम कहेंगे if I were rich, I would be very happy. It means he is not rich, so he is not happy. That's how you will infer in case of unreal condition. तो अब इसको अब wish में हम लिखेंगे present condition में I wish I were rich. So that exactly means since I'm not rich, so I'm not happy. इसको आप इस तरीके से भी सेंटेंस को लिख सकते हैं. इसी तरीके से अगर आप पास्ट अनरियल कंडीशन को स्टडी को सेंटेंस को लिख रहे हैं which says if you had been here last night, we would have enjoyed it. It means you were not there, so we did not enjoy it. That's how you will infer the meanings out of the sentence. But अगर आप इसमें wish को use करेंगे, we wish that you had been here last night. So that simply means that you were not there last night because you use the word wish when you are sure that did not happen or that will surely not happen. So आप wish को as condition sentence use कर सकते हैं in case of unreal conditions. अब हम इसको कुछ examples अपने एक sentence structure में भी देख लेते हैं. In the following rules, notice that the word that is proportional, that is optional, right? This word that is optional. So in case of future wish, the structure sentence will be, you will have a subject followed by wish. This that is optional, that's why it is written in parentheses. Then a subject, this subject can be same or it can be different. So we just made a different color. Followed by these modal verbs. It could be could verb, it could be would with verb with verb in the present form, in continuous form, which is also known as gerund form. So the sentence structure would be, we wish that, which is optional, you could come to the party tonight. We wish that you could come to the party tonight. you cannot come. That's how you will infer out of it, because wish is used when something is surely not going to happen or not happened. The second example, I wish that you would stop saying that. You would probably not stop it, wouldn't be stopping saying that, right? So that way you will say wish. She wishes that she were coming with us. So it means she is not coming with us at all. So wish is used when you have surety, not things to happen, not will things happen either ways. That's about the future wishes. In case you are making present wish, again this word that is optional. Subject followed by wish, then you have that followed by another subject, and then simple past tense. So in that case, what the sentence look like? I wish that I had enough time, this is your sentence, to finish my homework. So it means I don't have enough time to finish my work. This is about the present tense. We wish that he were old enough to come with us. It means he is not old enough, right, to come with us. Third example, they wish that they did not have to go to class today. It means they have to go to class today whatsoever. So this was about present wish. Now in case of past wish, we spoke about future, we spoke about present wish, and what about the past wish? So the sentence will look like subject followed by wish, then this optional that with another subject followed by past perfect tense. It can be could have and verb in the past participle form. So the sentence will be, I wish that I had washed, this is past, the clothes yesterday. I did not wash the clothes at all yesterday, right? She wishes, this is past perfect. She wishes that she could have been here or there. So it means she could not be there. So this was about this could have followed by the verb in past participle. And then again another example, we wish that we had more time last night. We did not have more time last night. That means out of this question, out of the sentence. This was all about these structures. I hope you like it. If you do, subscribe to my channel, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching.